Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole. First, select your avocados carefully. They should be perfectly ripe for the best creamy texture. Next, gather all your fresh ingredients like zesty lime, crisp red onion, and fragrant cilantro. Finally, ensure you have your essential kitchen tools ready, such as a sturdy bowl and a good mashing fork, to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the fun part. Carefully have your ripe avocados, remove the large pit, and scoop all that beautiful green flesh into your mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some like it chunky, others super smooth. Then, fold in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Achieving the perfect flavor is key. Start by adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to your mixture. If you enjoy a little warmth, a small pinch of cayenne pepper can add a delightful kick without overpowering the other flavors. Remember to taste your guacamole and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or lime juice until it's just right for your palate. Your delicious homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it right away with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or as a topping for tacos and burritos. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container with plastic wrap pressed directly onto the surface to prevent browning. This helps keep it fresh for up to 2 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.